Another thing I'll mention about uncertainty, which I think is actually quite interesting, especially when we think about the practice of science and the communication of uncertainty, is controversy and consistency. Do we have conflicting information and controversy about phenomena? Do we have different ways to explain the phenomena? Then another one is, are results changing in a fundamental way from one study or one assessment, such as we do in climate, from one assessment to the next? Do we do things that are credible in their approach, and the different approaches give us very different results? If we are in that situation, that tells us there's something fundamentally incorrect about some aspect of our scientific investigation. And one of the purposes of, again, another lecture in the series on uncertainty, the ones that are looking at IPCC temperature, one of the points that's made in there that over 5-year periods, we do not see major qualitative differences in the outcomes of the predictions of warming. One of the things that gives us confidence in those results is that, going to the last bullet on this slide, there is physical consistency between the theory, say the conservation of energy, observations, and simulation. And when all of these things align together, when there is consistency, when scientists who are coming at it from different directions start to converge on the same explanation, there is a certain confidence that comes from that process.